been very overcast the last few days, and I have been hibernating, but it's back to some creativity in my little abode. I have been putting together my own little CD, a bit of retro technology. It was as per request and also for some family and friends, and I'm just hand making it all. Took me a lot of printer cartridge and a lot of mistakes with dimensions, and a bit of glue. Whoops. Anyway, whatever. It's raw. It's, you know, self-done. So anyway, this is the song Entropy. As you can see, a lot of key bits, vocals, bass parts. There's a cool little twinkly. I can't really show you like the sound of these things as yet because of the lack of speakers, but there's some cool little bits, and I just do it all on my keyboard and with the guitar. Nope. No, the answer to that is no. No. It's nothing worse than having to play in a rhythm, a beat, and, you know, getting fucking instant RSI. Repetitive strain injury. And my left arm is already dodgy because it's had a bit of trauma. So, yeah, I need to take a little bit of a break from that. Woohoo. Stop doing things that I said not to do. Okay, well, nope, don't be like that. Got a cat who might meow in the background, give me a bit of nice raw background noise. Me and my little house, and this is my neighbour's cat who seems to never leave. But yeah, they do help a lot, just in general life and also with creativity. They chill out and their energy is all around, you know, so yeah, I mean, I'm a cat lady. There you go. So if you have a problem with that, you can speak to my lawyer. Hello? Lawyer? Hello? Oh man. So anyway, these are the tracks that I have now. So they're gonna go onto this beautiful piece of art. My little art project, you know, like I'm in preschool, you know, with my little matchsticks and glue and my little colourful xylophone. So anyway, here's to another day of hard out creativity and repetitive strain injury. So yeah, peace out, see you later.